Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rachel, and this is going to be a quick video on how I installed my hair and the new hair that I'm wearing. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so I was recently watching YouTube and I saw a video that Ivy put up, and I said, you know what, the method that she did for her quick weave, I'm going to try it myself. Initially, I was going to do a sew-in. However, I realized I didn't have enough needles. So I was like, you know what? I guess you're not going to do a sew-in and you're going to do a quick weave. I have in 3 bundles of Brazilian loose wave hair. And this hair is from Bella V Elite. It might be Bella Vi, but I'm going to just go with Bella V. Bella V Elite hair. And I was sent 4 bundles. This is the 16-inch, and I couldn't get all those bundles in my hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful, okay? Like, I mean, I haven't had hair like this, I don't know, in a long time. But this hair is beautiful. This is the 16-inch. Right now, I have in 2 20s and 118. So I did the basic quick weave. My hair is cornrow. My girlfriend cornrowed my hair for me. Thank you, San. I cannot cornrow at all. Like, I'm practicing, but anyway, that's besides the point. So my girlfriend cornrowed my hair for me so I can do my install. And normally when I do quick weaves, my hair used to be like uber short. So there was no cornrows. Like, I would just gel and put the protective shield on there, put a stocking cap on there, and do all of those steps. And it was just, it would take forever because you have to wait for your hair to get dry. So this process is a little different. So I sewed on 2 wig caps onto my hair just for a protective layer from the glue, the hair glue, the bonding glue. I put some of the Diamond Bond protective shield, and the one I have is clear. I actually like the dark colored one versus the clear one, but that's what I have is the clear one. And I put a layer of that on the exposed hair, which you'll see in the video, and on a little bit on top of the cap. Why not have an extra layer? Because glue can seep through those 2 wig caps. Like, you guys know that those little stocking caps are like stockings and they're thin. And just to have another protective layer, I put that on there. The simple middle part with a leave out. I have my leave out in the middle, of course, and the leave out for my edges. Very simple, because you know when the wind blows, you don't want anybody to see anything foolish, and you don't want to look foolish when the wind is blowing. So very simple. You just go back and forth. Like the first track I lay, I always bring it all the way up to the leave out. I just like to do it that way. I mean, you don't have to. You can keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until you get up here to close it up. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'll show you a few clips throughout this video so you can see the process. And it's very easy. A middle part is the easiest quick weave style to do versus a side part. A middle part is really easy. You just keep going back, boom. My leave out is probably, let's see, where is it at? Yeah, it's about right here. So yeah, it's blending really well. Actually, I felt like when I just flat ironed the hair, that I really didn't need to curling wand it, but I was messing with the hair so much. I took the natural curl out of it and I was like, Rach, what are you doing? So I just broke out my curling wand and wanded the hair. So right now, my thoughts on the hair is beautiful. It's wonderful, but I mean, it's only been a couple hours. So I will have an update video on how I think about this hair. And I may have a coupon code. If I do, it'll be listed below. And I'm really excited about this hair. This is a new company that I have not seen. They are based in Atlanta, Georgia. And just beautiful ladies if you follow their Instagram. And this little card, I said, oh, look at this, they cute. So it came in this little box, 2 bundles per box. The hair has carrying instructions on here, very important to read if you don't know what you're doing. because you want to have longevity in your hair. And I know some people feel like, oh, I can't believe you did a quick weave, but you can take these tracks off and reuse them. Like, come on, you don't have to just throw the whole everything away. If this hair is worth saving, you can save the hair, because I've reused hair plenty of times. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and please check me out on my next video. I have no idea what type of videos to do for y'all, because YouTube is a little dry. Like, hair reviews are dry. I mean, maybe outfit of the days, or I have no idea. You guys let me know what you want to see from me. You know, I did little surgery videos. I'm done with those. I might do some fitness videos, because I do have like a mini fitness room here at home. I may do that with Micah. Y'all just let me know, because I'm trying to figure this out. Like, I want to put videos out for you guys, and I want you guys to stay interested. Oh, y'all do like my cooking videos on my Insta story. So I may pop up some more cooking videos. Those are just so time consuming and difficult. So I usually don't really like to do cooking videos, but for y'all, I'll do it. I mean, I can do it for y'all. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.